Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. I am very happy to see you. In this video, I am preparing the recipe which I had some requests for it, and that will be homemade DIY setting spray for makeup. So we need to make something that could keep makeup in place. We really want to use simple ingredients. So this natural makeup setting spray contains great ingredients, very simple, very easy to use. And you could add it to your holistic beauty routine. So if you have acne-prone skin, I would say you need to be cautious and give it a little try, so you don't have any reactions. Same for sensitive skin, of course. We're using rose hydrosol. So I will start. This is going to be our first ingredient here, and I would need rose hydrosol in the amount of 4 ounces. So I'm going to use a little less because I'm reusing this old bottle of orange blossom water. It is 4 ounces. Additionally, to the rose water, we need some more, soothing, moisturizing, and toning effects, and all the other ingredients will just help us to do it. Next ingredient would be witch hazel. Buy only natural witch hazel. That's very important. We shall need 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to mix everything in here, and this nose will help me to pour it in the bottle you're using. If you don't want to make this much at once, just divide the ingredients. So let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and we're done with witch hazel. The next ingredient here, you can see, will be vegetable glycerin. Get a good quality stuff. It's very important. We won't need much, 3 teaspoons of it. Okay, let's go ahead and add the 3 teaspoons. So vegetable glycerin is, you could say, a little thick. See, not very thick though. So 2 and 3. Another very important thing I always want to mention is that everything you're working with for your skin obviously needs to be clean. All the cups, all the containers, your hands, obviously, that's very important. So always check the expiration date for the products you're using, because believe me, sometimes oops, and it's not good anymore. And the last ingredient we're going to use is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will make this setting spray also very suitable as a soothing sunburn spray. It can help acne if your skin likes it. There is no one recipe that's going to fit all. So that's why I'm saying always do it a test. My bottle is always gone. I really love this recipe, Lily of the Desert. I buy it at the market. I think it's a very good product, jelly. So we'll just need to squeeze 1 teaspoon of that. Let's go ahead. We're done. They have also aloe vera juices, so I'm going to mix everything in here. Shouldn't be a big deal, really. Apologize for the noise. Everything will, aloe vera gel will dissolve very quickly. So we're done, believe it or not. So get your bottle, pour it in. Before every use, I would suggest that you shake the bottle well. Use it, close your eyes. Even though we don't use any essential oils, still be careful so you don't get this stuff in your eyes. Just mist your face with it. So see, I'm shaking like that. You don't need to do a lot, let it dry. So just 1 or 2 sprays will do it. So as I said, you could use it for moisturizing your skin, for healing sunburn, and of course for setting and finishing powder to make your makeup last longer. So alternatively, you could use it for dewy finish. So you apply it after your setting or finishing powder. You could use it as a hydrating mist, just whenever your skin desires some hydration, you mist it. I recommend making it in smaller bottles like this, so you could always make a fresh one. I say try not to use it for longer than 2-3 weeks. You could store it in the refrigerator, obviously. That will work. And because a lot of people say that thermal water could hydrate your face, right? But I have a video or if I don't yet, I will be making, so stay tuned about thermal water, but all the secrets of it, that it might not be as moisturizing, hydrating as we used to think. So guys, this is a very simple recipe, and if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any adjustments, or maybe your favorite recipe of a setting spray, I am sure we'll be thrilled to know about that. Say hello in the comments. I wish you all the best. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.